And I want to quickly take you to Rashtrapati Bhavan. These are images coming in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Rashtrapati Bhavan meeting President Draupadi Murmu as he briefs the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces and the President of India about Operation Sindoor. This was a pledge of the Narendra Modi government to ensure there is justice for those who were killed by Pakistan-backed radical Islamist terror in Pahalgam. Action has been taken.
All right, so that's the latest images coming in. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi meeting, in many ways briefing the President of the country, Draupadi Murmu. This is important, remember, because after a successful operation, 9 targets, 7 locations, where specifically Muzaffarabad and Kotli, where 2 strikes have happened at different locations. There was a meeting with the cabinet, an applause on the table from the cabinet colleagues, and then as part of protocol, Prime Minister Modi ensuring that he does go and brief the President of the country as well. What a moment you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen. The Prime Minister of the nation, President of India, in many ways acknowledging each other's support as well. What has this Operation Sindoor reflected for India? A political will, of course, the precision, the effort, the valor, the courage of primarily the Indian Armed Forces. Then whether it comes to our intelligence agency, the Intelligence Bureau, the Research and Analysis Wing, that basically provided the exact locations, the details, the status of those locations, where Hafiz Saeed, Masood Azhar's terror hideouts have been, so that the armed forces can hit, which had an operational freedom directive given by Prime Minister Modi. This was coordination at multiple levels. 25 minutes, Operation Sindoor, all done.